In this video, you'll learn how to host a Base44 app. This tutorial will guide you through the necessary steps to create and publish your application using the Base44 platform. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Base44 website. Type in the URL for Base44, which is app.base44.com, and press the Enter key. You will be directed to the Base44 homepage, where you should see a prompt asking, what will you build today? This indicates that you are on the correct page. Next, you will find a text box inviting you to describe your app idea. Take a moment to think about the application you want to create. You can either type your idea directly into the text box or explore the available templates for inspiration. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your app. After entering your app idea, click on the button labeled Ideas to proceed. This action will take you to a section where you can view various app ideas that align with your input. This is a helpful feature that can spark creativity. Once you are in the Ideas section, you can select any ideas that resonate with you, review the options, and choose the one that best fits your vision. Selecting an idea is an important step as it will guide the development of your app. Continue by clicking on the idea you selected and then press the Enter key. This action will initiate the app creation process. You will see a message indicating that your idea is being built. This confirmation assures you that the platform is working on your app. At this point, Base44 will begin generating your app. This process may take some time, depending on the complexity of your idea. Be patient as the system works to create your application. A loading indicator may appear during this time, confirming that the generation is in progress. Once the app generation is complete, you will be directed to the dashboard. Here you can manage app and access various features. Look for a button labeled Dashboard and click on it to enter this management area. Next, find and click on the Preview option. This will allow you to see how your app looks and functions before it goes live. It's important to review everything to ensure that it meets your expectations. After reviewing your app in preview mode, locate the Publish button. Clicking this button will make your app available to users. Ensure that you are satisfied with all aspects of your app before finalizing this step. Finally, you will see a confirmation message indicating that you have successfully hosted your app. This is the last step in the process, confirming that your app is now live and accessible to users. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.